He used to be there, Victor Calero for Real Madrid Television, live, as you always say, before this kind of qualifying rounds. We are before a match. They can last for 180 minutes or more. What's the plan for tomorrow, bearing that in mind?
Real Madrid manager Carlo Ancelotti says Madrid has more than 90 minutes away, and of course he knows well that that's going to be the decisive match. That's going to be the most important game, and of course it's a time now to think about that match. It's a time now to think about that decisive match. In fact, it should be quite clear that Real Madrid has ability to punish Manchester City at their home stadium, because they have done it for a long time, and just catch and the past few seasons in UEFA Champions League, Manchester City were punished at their home stadium and they were knocked out of this competition. And Carlo Ancelotti says this might be repeated if all the players, technical bench and the supporters will just be led to provide them, of course, the percentages throughout the minutes. And it's going to be it's going to be the important match. It's going to be an amazing match. And in fact, Carlo Ancelotti says it's a time now to think. It's the time now to study the nature of Manchester City at the home stadium, because he knows all that the game is just it's going to be difficult. As the game is going to be very important on both sides. As the Manchester City has high quality. It's one among of the club which has high quality, and that's what he